G'day guys, welcome back to Pete's Investing. It's November 27, 2023. This is the NASDAQ price update. On the weekly, daily and hourly, you can see here overall our direction is bullish on the weekly, bullish on the daily, but we might have a bit of a retrace on the hourly, and I'll talk about each of these. So for those new to the channel, we look at the CCI 400 here and the moving averages, and they're still trending bullishly or upwards. The CCI 150 is primarily our divergence indicator. You can see here there was a bit of a divergence here and it fell off, and it doesn't mean a full-scale reversal, it just means a bit of a retrace generally. And you can see here as well there was many weeks of bearish divergence on that period up until that peak there, and that aligns with the price movement between those highs. So yes, there was continuous bullish movement on that price action, but if you're taking heed of the CCI 150 showing a bearish divergence, it eventually fell off, and that's where you would have profited from taking advantage of any fall. Since then, there's been no real movement or bullish divergence or bearish divergence, and so at the moment we're in a bullish movement on the weekly at least. On the daily, likewise, the CCI 400, our main trend indicator, is still trending upwards. The CCI 150 likewise, but there is a bit of a pullback. Again, no divergence, just a bit of a pullback on the 150. And it's bounced off that key resistance at 16,126. On the hourly, however, you can see there I've drawn a bearish divergence on the CCI 150. The CCI 400 is also pretty much declining as well, with a couple of occasional upswings. And that is a bearish divergence on the 150 versus the price action. And I've drawn a Fibonacci range between that low and that high. So at least we're looking at a potential retrace to that level between a 23 and a 38% level at the very least. And if it does break through that and possibly even below this diagonal trend line, I'm going to draw a second Fibonacci retracement level. And that will be, I'll draw it now, that'll be between that 23% to the 38% down there. So I'll keep that there as a secondary retrace. So that's our initial retrace between that smaller Fibonacci range, and that's our secondary retrace if it breaks through this diagonal trend line. So again, looking back at the 50,000 foot view, the weekly's in a bullish mode, the daily likewise bullish, but on the hourly we're seeing a bit of a retrace, and we'll see how that goes in terms of those two touch points or those two retrace targets. So if you got value out of the video, hit that like and subscribe button, hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching, and see you in a future video.